everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my infamous hummus pasta. Okay, so this is another super simple, super easy plant-based veggie recipe. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. Nobody asked for it, but I'm here to serve. So come along with me.
Let me show you what to do.
Okay guys, so this is gonna be the recipe for my hummus pasta with a lemony kick. So here are the ingredients that you are gonna need. You wanna use whatever pasta you like. I'm using rigatoni, okay? That's my preferred pasta for this recipe. Also, fettuccine is good because it's almost like a imitation fettuccine alfredo, kind of. So we're gonna need our baby bella mushrooms, you guys already know. We're gonna get some spinach, and we're gonna need some hummus and our lemon. So basically, this is a super quick and easy recipe. It's really easy to make. What else? Very affordable for our college students, our friends on a budget, say moi. And let me see what else. There's something else I was gonna say. I forgot. Okay, so anyway, to get started, you wanna start off boiling your water for your pasta. You cook your pasta to however way you like it, okay? So start off by boiling and cooking your pasta. While that's on the boil, let's get started with the rest of the recipe, okay? So meat. All right, so we're gonna cook our mushrooms and spinach off just like how we cooked the vegetables for the other video. So if you don't remember, go back to that video. So, okay. Ooh, is it on? Okay, so we're gonna do like a tablespoon of olive oil. All right. And now we're gonna take our freshly washed mushrooms and dump them in, okay? And now we're just gonna let it saute and cook for a little while. All right, you hear the sizzling, this popping? This is good, this is what we want. Give it a good little mix. All right. So now let's add some seasoning. So I've got some pink sea salt, some Himalayan pink salt. We're gonna go in with our garlic salt. A little bit of seasoned salt, just a little. Now we're gonna take my Fava's season mix, do a little bit of his spice. And the star of the show, citrus herb. This is gonna add to our lemony kick. All right, and I have this cooking on about medium-high heat. And when it gets like this, okay, we're going to add our spinach. So we're just gonna add about half a bag of spinach. Okay, incorporate the spinach well with the mushrooms. Okay, now cover that and let it sit on medium-high heat for about 7 minutes. All right, so after a little bit, this was probably around 5 minutes, not 7. The spinach is wilted really nicely and the mushrooms are thoroughly cooked. So we're gonna put it on low. Okay, and we're just gonna let that sit. It's really nice because the mushrooms and the spinach create like this nice little like liquid. It's like a really nice sauce, and it's really good. So if yours is like really watery and it's like super saucy, don't worry about it. That's a good sign.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Like, that's great, okay?
That's the split right there.
So let's let our pasta boil. I put the pasta in. I'm gonna let it boil for about 12 minutes and then we will continue on. Okay, so pasta's ready, it's boiled. Let's turn the stove off and let's go strain. Okay, so before you strain, you actually want to take a quarter cup of take about half a cup so you can take as little as or as much as you need. Okay, so take half a cup of the pasta water out and now let's strain. Oh my gosh. No. Hold up. Oh man, it came off. Guys, I think I basically I think broke my tripod. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, sorry for the technical difficulties. We are back. This thing is like this. Y'all should see the way I'm standing. I look crazy and I'm hurting my knees. So now what we want to do is take some olive oil and put it on our pasta. Just about a half a tablespoon. That was probably a teaspoon, like just very little. Give that a good mix. Okay, y'all, make me the CEO of Good Mix and the CEO of This Is What We're Looking Like Right Now, because that's all I say in these videos. So, huh?
They're full now. Do they eat with them on? Like you can't take that out?
I don't know. Do people with grills eat with their grills on? Amber got a question. Okay, so now what we're gonna wanna do is take our spinach and mushroom mixture and throw that in. Let's give it a nice twirl. Honestly, guys, truly, you could be done right here, okay? And just have a nice pasta with mushrooms and spinach and be done. We're gonna add some flair though, because that is what we do, okay? We're gonna take, not even half the lemon, okay? Maybe about a quarter of the lemon. Give it a nice squeeze into our pasta. Here's what we're looking like. Okay, we're gonna give that a nice squeeze. Yum, delicious. Okay, good mix. Oops. Try it. Delish. Oh, yes. So I actually had hummus that I was about to finish. What we're gonna do is take the rest of it. So this was a quarter of the container. So we'll take a quarter plus half a container. So that would be 3/4 of a container of hummus. All right, we're just gonna add that in. And now we're gonna give that a nice mix. All right, and as you can see, it's making like a really creamy texture. It's making it almost like fettuccine-y. That's why I call it like fake fettuccine, guys. This is why. Okay. Oh, smells delicious. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that half a cup of pasta water and just put about a quarter of it. Okay, throw it to the side and give it a mix. Okay, now this is all according to you, as all my recipes are. This recipe actually I found online, so it's really not even mine. I just like added like some bao flair. So we're gonna give it a mix, okay? And now we're gonna take our star of the show, which is our citrus herb. Okay, and give it some really nice seasoning, really nice flavor. Okay? And that's all. So here's our pasta, and for garnish, it gets a lemon and some parsley. Fun, right? Now enjoy. Okay, I'll try it for you. Oh, guys, I'm telling you. Wow. I'm telling you guys. You have to try this out. Try it for yourself. Tell me what you think, okay? Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really love to make videos, so.
I don't really care if you ask for it or not. I'm giving you content, period, right? Period.
My sister just tried it and she made a face of magic, like it was good. So you can only do yourself a favor. by making this. All right? Okay, now do me a favor and comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, have fun, enjoy it, okay? Cooking is fun, not stress. It's fun. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Woo-hoo!